Ng Algis card, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin, right away may lumipad na card. So, tingnan natin kung bakit kayo hinahanap ng inyong tao. I feel like whomever this is, I kinda like feel yung energy na brokenness or broken-hearted about maybe certain situation. And I kinda like feel na sa ngayon ay kailangan ka niya at bala ka niyang puntahan. I feel yung energy mo makatao ka at maka-Diyos ka rin. At I really feel na nababaw yung energy, okay? Meaning lang nun guys is hindi kayo mapagmataas. You're somebody that's definitely down to earth. At saka I really feel here na hindi lang ito yung tao na naghahanap sa'yo. I think people are looking for you because definitely of your guidance. At saka, you know, gusto nila ng taong may makakausap at saka I kinda like feel yung energy na naiiyak, okay? So, this person definitely needs you because definitely they want you. They want something from you. Kasi nasa-sense ko guys na nasa matindi silang pangangailangan sa ngayon. And you could be somebody that's definitely workaholic. At I really feel na wala rin gumagambala sa inyo guys kasi maybe people are aware that you're busy with your life. And I'm also sensing that you are definitely an authentic person that people can trust, okay? So anyway, let's see what we have. So, itong taon na to, yun nga, nalulungkot siya sa ngayon and maybe this person is looking for you kasi kailangan niya ng kausap or kailangan niya ng makasama dahil malungkot siya sa ngayon. Pero ito yung iyong energy, busy ka mag-work at hindi mo siya napapansin. Ngayon, you're definitely somebody that is, you know, good with regards sa pag-guide or pwede sa counseling guys. And we also have the blessing here. I kinda like feel yung iba sa kanila, gusto nila ng payo with regards sa pag-handle ng money. Pwede rin, okay? So, let's see what else do we have here. And we also have the confidence and bully. So, ito yung tao na kabaliktaran nyo. Maybe this is a person na shy type. You know, at hindi confident and you're somebody that's in this energy. At maybe you are encouraging people to be like you are. So, kaya kanya hinahanap kasi gusto kanya maging mentor para matigil na yung ganitong energy na meron siya. Maybe whomever this is somebody who have been bullied, kaya nangyari dito is wala yung kanyang confidence. Next that we got is free and merit making. So whomever this is somebody, you know, to be honest with you, they look high upon you. Pero I don't feel like you're somebody na proud. I kinda like feel na ayaw mo na ganito yung gawin nila sa'yo. Parang in-encourage mo sila na huwag kang sambahin kasi alam mo na yung Diyos dapat yung sinasamba, okay? I feel like people are definitely inspired by you kasi I feel na malaking tiwala nila sa'yo kasi you've been through something and you break free from it and now, ngayon mataas na yung position mo or yung narating mo sa buhay. Kaya malaki talaga yung respeto niya sa iyo. And this person is coming back to you or hinahanap ka niya kasi gusto niya magkaroon ng inspiration which is you. or gusto niya maging kagaya mo. So some of you, this could be a fun, especially if you're somebody that is an influencer or can be a teacher as well, okay? So anyway, I kinda like feel na ito yung energy mo that you're definitely successful with regards sa yung career, and you have this confidence, to be honest with you, at pasaya ka sa iyong buhay. And people could be assuming na, you know, you're going to guide them kung paano marating din ito. Kung paano rin magkaroon ng confidence kagaya ng meron ka. Next that we got, this is one. So whomever this is, maybe you're noticing that they're really trying the best that they can to get your attention, to be honest with you. Kasi nga taas ang tingin nila sa'yo, pero I kind of feel na, you know, you're just there, you're just guiding people, you're counseling, you know, pero hindi ko yung tipong tao na lalapit ka sa bawat isa. I feel na having a medium like, let's say, YouTube, Facebook, ano man yan, TikTok, you know, is enough for you. Kasi maybe you're somebody who don't really want audience in real life. Kasi yun nga, meron ka sigurong work na busy ka, you know, yung main na trabaho mo, or pwede rin na meron kang negosyo. And that's the reason why you're very busy, honestly. Kaya magagawa mo lang is mag-post ng mga videos or kung ano man yan, or pwede rin ng mga tips. So anyway, let's see what we got. So you're definitely a motivational speaker, okay? Or yung mga post mo nakaka-inspire. And hinahanap ka ng taong ito kasi nga you're somebody who will guide him or her to reach his or her dream. As you can see, maybe people are definitely addicted to whatever that you're, you know, doing. Can be teaching, okay? Something like that. Because as I told you, you know, whomever they are that's searching for you, they are someone na talagang taas ang tingin nila sa'yo, and they kinda like believe that you're guiding them towards the right path. At yung hindi ko lang nagustuhan dito is parang sinasamba ka na nila, okay? So I think if you're not really comfortable with this, I think you have to encourage them that it should be God that they're praising, okay? Kasi nasa sense ko dito na hindi mo trip na, you know, maging proud sa yung mga tao, or titinan ka nila in a good way like this, you know, kasi you're somebody that's humble. And that's really good, guys. So I feel like, you know, you're being exalted because of what you do. So we got the D in reverse. We also have this one. So hindi sila naghanap sa'yo para sa chismis. Actually, hinahanap ka nila kasi gusto nila ng guidance from you, honestly. And to open up doors for opportunities then. So you have to bless in either way. I feel like whomever this is, they could be stagnant in terms of career, at maybe naghanap sila ng payo sa'yo with regards sa career. We also have my love in reverse, and we have the 3 in either way. Yung iba naman sa kanila, guys, if ever it's not about career, naghanap siguro sila ng guidance on how to handle third-party situation with regards sa kanilang relasyon. Or maybe they do have issues with regards to their love life, at naghanap sila ng somebody na magpapayo sa kanya, or pwede rin naghanap din sila ng tao na dadamayan siya sa oras ng kanyang kabiguan or kalungkutan. So, we also got Y in reverse, okay? Parang naisip ko, tinatanong pa ba yan? I feel like for some of you, you're really aware na kung pati nahanap ka ng mga tao, okay? So, anyway, you're just here maybe for confirmation. So, anyway, let's see what else do we have here. I kinda like feel, guys, sa marami naghahanap talaga sa'yo. Hindi lang iisang tao. I feel like for some of you, destined to be popular and rich someday, honestly. Kasi I kinda like feel yung energy mo nakaka-inspire, honestly, okay? So, another dimension to me. At saka na-sense ko na mabait ka at matulungin sa iyong kapwa. So yes, definitely some of them, they do have issues with regards sa kanilang career. As you can see, maybe hindi pa nila nahanap yung tamang work for them. At saka yung iba sa kanila baka nawalan ng work. And maybe somebody will guide them. Iba naman sa kanila, nagkaroon ng third party situation, and we see it here with regards sa love life. Yung iba naman sa kanila, hindi masaya tungkol dito. So they're definitely looking for you dahil gusto nila ng solusyon or gusto nila ng iyong guidance, kasi I feel here na ito yung gusto nila sa'yo, na straightforward kang mag-isip. Hindi ka padalos-dalos. Maybe people are seeing you as somebody who is the wise one who will provide guidance for them. Okay? Iba naman sa kanila may problem with regards sa kanilang money, and I feel na they need something to actually hold on to, like a tip, to be honest with you. Kasi with the death card being in reverse, ibig sabihin lang may kailangan silang baguhin sa kanilang buhay para maalis na yung stagnancy with regards sa money, okay? So, kung sino man itong tao naghahanap sa inyo guys, wala pa silang nararating with regards sa kanilang career. At dahil dito ay nalulungkot sila, and they're definitely looking for a mentor na tutulong sa kanila to turn things around for their life, okay? So, anyway, that's it guys with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation. Sana marami pa kayo matulungan, and God bless all of you. Sa pumili ng Kena's card, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung bakit kayo nahanap ng inyong tao. I really feel na ikaw yung tipong tao na matyaga with regards sa relasyon at ganun din sa iyong trabaho. At saka na-sense ko rin na mahinahon yung iyong energy. So they asked me to cleanse first, so just go ahead and cleanse. I feel na kung sino man tumatanong mo sa akin, parang feeling ko wala silang hiya at saka mahilig sila mag-post. And I kinda like feel whomever this is, they hold grudges against you. Okay? And maybe they are receiving tower moments or mga bad luck sa kanilang buhay, lalong-lalo na sa kanilang career. And you're wondering, ba't ka nga hinahanap? Okay. I kinda like feel yung energy na papansin, okay? So maybe kaya siya post kasi nagpapapansin siya sa'yo or sa mga tao. I feel this person find you attractive or interesting, honestly. At nasense ko rin na kung sino man ito guys, bigo siya sa pag-ibig. Okay? I also sense na itong tao na to, naglalasing siya sa gabi. At I also sense yung energy na naiiyak. So, i-clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. I kinda like feel this person is definitely have fires on you, meaning passion. So, right away, nahanap ka niya maybe because he or she is in love with you or interested with you. Kasi I kinda like feel na magaling kang mag-alaga or maalaga kang tao. So, kaya pala siya galit guys kasi, iniiwasan mo siya. Kaya this person hold grudges against you. Okay? Okay, siguro iba sa inyo meron na kayong iba or maybe you're not seeing this person as the one. So, remember to take which resonates and leave what doesn't, alright? Kasi maraming storya dito. Since this is kind of like a collective reading. So, let's see what we have here. So, anyway, hinahanap ka niya because you're somebody that's definitely authentic at saka mapagkakatiwalaan ka, lalong-lalo na with regards sa pera, okay? And I feel here yung energy na masaya. So, maybe this is your energy like you're happy with your life because maganda yung reputasyon mo. People are seeing you as authentic at hindi lang yun, may pera ka. Okay? So, kaya kanya hinahanap kasi gusto niya sana ng pagmamahal as you can see. But yet, your energy is like this, like you're ignoring him or her. Kasi maybe hindi sila yung nagustuhan mo, and maybe this is also the reason why you ignore them. Kasi siguro with the evidence card being here, ibig sabihin lang nalaman mo na after lang sila sa iyong kayamanan. So, isa yun sa dahilan kung bakit mo sila ini-ignore, honestly. Iba naman sa inyo yung iyong dahilan kasi maybe you currently do have a lover as of this time or maybe you're eyeing on somebody else but not this person. Kung hindi man ito yung case, sa pandahilan mo is dahil, nakita mo yung kanyang negative vibe or negative attitude. Maybe this person tend to control, manipulate things, and this is something that you don't like kasi yung habol mo is somebody na mapagmahal, kaya mo siya in-ignore kasi in your perspective, he or she is not a good person for you. Siguro nakakita ka na red flags and that's also the reason why kung ba't ayaw mo sa kanya. So anyway, itong taon na to hinahanap ka niya dahil gusto kanya siya siguro na bigyan ng anak or kunin ka, pilitin na maging kayo honestly kasi first of all, ayaw mo makinig sa kanya or iniiwasan mo siya at busy ka sa yung work at saka minamanifest mo yung tao na gusto mo sana makuha pero hindi yung taong ito na natanong mo sa akin. So, anyway, kaya kanya hinahanap kasi in his or her perspective, ikaw yung ideal na type niya na tao, honestly. Ikaw yung dream guy or girl niya, kaya kanya hinahanap as you can see here. But yet, as I told you, iniwasan mo siya, pwedeng blinak mo, or literally iniiwasan mo lang siya. Next that we got is this one. So, kaya kanya hinahanap kasi whomever this is, madalas siyang malasin sa kanyang buhay, honestly speaking. At ikaw naman, ikaw yung something na iniisip niya na upright at saka iniisip niya, nag-expect siya na malaki about you, na ilalayo mo siya sa kanitong kamalasan sa kanyang buhay. But yet, isa rin sa dahilan ba't ayaw mo sa kanya kasi hindi kayo magkasundo or na-identify mo na, hindi kayo magka-vibe. Kaya, iniwasan mo siya at maybe naghanap ka ng iba or maybe naging focus ka lang sa iyong career. Okay? So, I feel this person definitely wants to control you or hypnotize you even. Kasi with this card, ibig sabihin kasi neto is control din. So, yun na gusto kanyang kontrolin na mapasa kanya pero ayaw mo sa kanya. Or hindi ka nauuto sa kanyang mga pinagagawa. So, let's see what else do we have here. So, we got the broke in either way. Maybe whomever this is, they are definitely broke with regards to their money and maybe they're looking for someone na may kayamanan at, magaling talaga mag-handle niyan at meron din trabaho at authentic at mapagkakatiwalaan. So, we also have the quit in reverse. So, kaya kanya hinahanap kasi ayaw niya na mag-quit ka sa kanya. Iba sa inyo, baka ito siguro yung ex mo na gusto kang hanapin para balikan. Okay? Pero hindi ko na-feel dito guys sa gusto mo pa rin siya. Maybe you're just busy on your own. So, ito yung tao na sunod sa'yo or pwede rin na nahanap ka talaga niya and you're got aware. That's why you're here and you're wondering why they're looking at you. So, you have this one. And we also got this, okay? So, remember this is, guys, actually, they didn't see kung saan sila patungo with regards sa kanilang career, kaya din sila minamalas. And they could be thinking that you will be their guide towards success in their life. I kinda like feel with this energy na meron silang pagka-user na gagamitin kanila para sa pera, you know, and we also got for you with love in reverse. So far, guys, I didn't see na they're definitely authentically in love with you. You know, I feel like they're just in love with you because of the reason na you do have this money, this wealth, and everything that they want. At saka yung balak lang nila talaga ay gamitin ka. Walang genuine love doon. Parang yung expectation lang nila is kung maging kayo, ikaw dapat yung mag-effort na mag-work, na alagaan din siya, and so on. At itong taon na to, hindi ko nakita man dito na yung intention niya is, you know, to care for you. It is more on you working and working for your connection and for the money. Baliktad. Okay, so tignan natin kung ano pang meron. So, they asked me to cleanse. So, just go ahead and cleanse. I feel like whatever this person is doing to you, it will definitely backfire back to them. Kasi na-sense ko na umpisa na may pagka-passion yung energy, diba? Pero hindi ko nasa-sense, guys, na yun yung nararamdaman mo for him or her. Ibig sabihin lang nun, you know, nag-backfire yung kanyang ginagawa sa'yo, kaya siya nakaramdam nung ganon. So, suddenly, kinda like feel blockage with regards sa aking throat. Ibig sabihin lang nun na God is definitely blocking this person to reach out to you or even to talk to you. So, anyway, ito yung card, okay? So, na-booking siya kung ano yung intention niya with regards to you. Maybe you see the red flags already, or maybe nakita mo yung kanyang pag-uugali. Kaya pala may blockage with regards sa throat kasi pinipilit siya ng Panginoon na maglabas ng red flags kasi hindi maganda yung kanyang intention towards you. See? Meron tayong blockage with regards sa kanyang throat kasi this is a person that is definitely a liar, and whomever this is, they are definitely a karmic or toxic person na very controlling and manipulative, and you're somebody that's going places with regards to your career. At ito yung tao na gusto kanyang angkinin para kung anong meron ka na makuha mo with regards sa career, pera, okay, mapunta rin yun sa kanya. So, anyway, that's it, guys, with regards to your reading. So, I kinda like feel na kailangan kong maglagay ng karma reading. So, anyway, let's see kung ano yung kanyang karma. So, maybe another reason why kung ba't ako cleanse ang cleanse kasi hindi maganda yung kanyang vibe at yung iba siguro sa kanila ay ginagayuma ka. I feel na mabuti ka sa iyong kapwa. Maybe maraming tao na nakakita niyan or naka-witness sa iyong kabutihan, and that's the reason why this person is searching for you because you're good at it, okay? And this person wants to feel your love, pero hindi ko nakita dito na yung intention niya is mahalin ka rin, you know? So, anyway, yung kanyang karma, makatagpo ka ng tao talaga na mamahalin ka, yung talaga magbibigay sa'yo ng emotional fulfillment, at yung work mo, you know, patuloy lang yan as you can see here. Isa sa kanyang karma, guys, hindi tatalab yung mga curses, yung gayuma, kung ano man yan, kasi first of all, you're not actually feeling this way to him or her. Kung sakaling manapilit ka niya, magbe-break pa rin yung inyong connection kasi first of all, hindi kayo destined for each other, you know. Nasa sa kanyang karma since he or she is user, yung pera niya madalas mawala, as you can see. I kinda like feel na yung kanyang energy ay waldas, honestly speaking. And look at this one. So, ito siguro yung tao na nakadepende lang sa spell work. And this person could be manifest sa you dahil nga may kayamanan ka, as you can see. Pero parte ng kanyang karma, guys, lalayuan mo siya, as you can see. Okay? Isa sa karma ng taong ito, they cannot see things clearly, to be honest, because they're kinda like thinking na tumatalab yung kanilang curses, as you can see here. Okay, and then with this one as well, I kinda like feel na hindi niya magagawang mang-agaw ng tao na hindi para sa kanya. Kasi mga tao na minamanifest niya, wala namang nararamdaman sa kanya. Iniiwasan siya kung sakali maging sila, napilitan lang, pero sa huli maghihiwalay sila. Okay? So anyway, that's it guys with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation, and God bless all of you. Sa pumili ng Ewas card, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung bakit kayo nahanap ng inyong tao. I kinda like feel yung energy na may naiiyak, okay? I kinda like feel this is kinda like a karma reading. I feel like whomever this is, guys, they are definitely jealous of you. And I feel this is somebody who definitely, they kinda like create illusions and lies and mistreated you in the past. And you could be somebody that is kind and loving and nurturing. At saka, hinahanap niya kayo kasi I really feel na malungkot talaga yung energy. Okay? Kasi itong taon na to, hindi sila nagbagong buhay. So, kung ano man ang ginawa niya sa'yo sa past, yun pa rin yung balak niyang gawin sa'yo sa future. Kaya kanya hinahanap kasi gusto ka pa rin niyang payakin, maltratuin, at kung ano man. Ngayon, i-clarify natin yung cards. I feel like for some of you, this is somebody na backstabber friend nyo dati or kaklose nyo on some point, pero hindi ko talaga na-feel yung genuine energy sa kanila. At I kinda like feel na naiiyak ka kasi, you definitely show them love and care, pero yung ginawa nilang kabayaran is i-destroy yung name mo or may ginawa silang kalokohan sa'yo. So, ito yung tao na, maybe really they are bullies, to be honest with you. Kasi sa ngayon, maybe you're somebody who's moving on sa mga ginawa nila, and these people are aware that you're somebody that is an upright person. At saka nga, naging balance na yung iyong buhay, definitely, okay? So, kung sino man siya, guys, if ever this is about love-related, yung kaya kanya hinahanap kasi gusto niya pa rin maging karelasyon ka, pero sa huli, bibiguin ka lang niya, ilalagay ka niya sa third party, gawin kanyang, madrama uli yung buhay mo, iyak ka muli, okay? Parang gusto nilang bumalik para pagtripan ka lang. You get my point? Kasi look at this one. So I feel like you're definitely somebody who's kind to everyone. And you learned your lesson already na hindi lahat ng tao ay kagaya mo na mabuti. Okay? So, ito nga yung tao na kaya kanila hinahanap. Maybe you see this posting na hinahanap kanila, or maybe, you see some signs about them looking for you, kaya ka nandito. Pero hindi talaga maganda yung kanilang intention, guys. Kasi intention nila is gusto kanilang muling manggulo sa iyong buhay or betray ka muli. Kung ano man ang ginawa nila sa'yo dati, uulitin lang nila yun. Kaya wag kang maniniwala kung ano man ang sabihin nila sa'yo. Kasi itong mga taon na to, they keep this bad attitude that they have. They're definitely bullies at saka deceitful, so huwag mo silang pagkatiwalaan. If ever they say that they change, but in your reading guys, hindi ko nakita dito yung change. Okay? So, wherever they're saying you somebody na naging okay na muli yung iyong buhay, to be honest with you. And you're definitely somebody who helped them out. You actually become a good person for them. Like, you're somebody who's a good friend. Right? And they're trying to manifest you back and play pretend like they're a good friend, good lover, kung ano man yan. Pero sa uli, ibebetray ka lang nila. So, kaya kanila hinahanap kasi nakita nila na meron kang blessing and they desire about it. So, iba sa kanila, they're just after your wealth, and then once that they got this, iiwan kanila muli or, i-destroy kanila uli pag nakuha na nila yung gusto nila sa'yo. So, you got this Ewas card. So, I kinda feel kaya ka nga nila hinahanap kasi yun nga, you're somebody that's definitely loving and kind. At saka, inisip nila na, payakin ka muli. Okay? At, mauto ka muli. Pero hindi ko naman nafe-feel dito na mauto ka muli. Kasi nadala ka na. Okay? Na-realize mo na hindi lahat ng tao sa iyong buhay ay mabuti. So, let's see what else do we have here. So far, guys, I didn't feel any regret over what they did to you in the past, which is definitely sad. So, you have the curse here. So, kaya kanila hinahanap kasi gusto ka muli nilang i-curse. Okay, and we have this 1 year at saka paikutin muli yung mundo mo. Maybe now you're in this way. So, gusto nilang gawin uli yan in reverse. So, you have the yes here in easier way. So, gusto nilang i-break ka. Maybe gusto nilang magsabi ng oo sa'yo with regards sa love. Tapos bila sila maghahanap ng iba. Ibe-break lang yung heart mo para maging imbalance ka. So, we have this one, you are my sunshine in reverse. So far, they are definitely your haters, guys. Okay, they really want to dim your light, honestly. Kasi nakikita ka nila siguro na masaya ka sa ginagawa mo sa ngayon, balanse yung buhay mo, peaceful. Gusto nilang muling sirain yan. So, we got thinking of you in easier way. So, sila yung tao na hindi mo na naiisip sa ngayon kasi they did what they did already. Okay? So, 26 means they are not supposedly in your life. Meaning, hindi sila meant para sa'yo. They are karmics, they are toxic, At sa iyong background, may narinig tayo na taon ng aso. Ibig sabihin lang nun, guys, na they are actually will just fight you, argue with you, i-distort yung iyong peace, honestly speaking. So, you have to say in reverse. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, guys, hindi talaga kayong meant na mag-usap. And I kinda feel din, guys, na pinipindong sila ng langit or binablock ng langit yung kanilang throat chakra kasi ayaw na ng langit na mag-usap kayong dalawa. Okay, kasi first of all, hindi maganda yung kanilang intention at I kinda feel na yung gusto nila mangyari dito is mauto ka pa rin. So, let's see what else do we have here. I kinda feel like you are a just person. I feel like whatever that they're doing to you, it will definitely backfire back to them. So, for na-sense ko na masakit yung aking right hand, so ibig sabihin lang nun, meron kayo negative emotion with regards to this person. Kasi nga dahil sa ginawa niya sa iyong buhay, okay? So, gusto sirain ng mga taong ito yung, yung balance. So, marami tayong card na ganyan. Justice, dalawa na. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, gusto nilang baliktarin itong skills, okay? So, ito yung tao na, dapat mawala talaga sa iyong buhay kasi first of all, they are karmics or very toxic in your life, okay? I feel like some of you, this could be your childhood friend or matagal na kayo magkakilala, pero parang wala talaga siyang utang na loob. So, kaya kanya hinahanap muli kasi gusto kanyang awayin, gusto kanya uli sirain, honestly, yung peace mo and so on. Kasi nakikita kanya na, may pera ka at hindi lang yung talagang balance yung buhay, ganun din sa love life. Ay, itong taon na to baka nainggit or baka gusto niyang, mag-isa ka na lang, wala kang pera and so on. Ano siya? Bully. To be honest, kaya kanya hinahanap para sirain muli yung buhay mo. So, tingnan natin yung karma ng taong ito kasi based on your reading, hindi siya nagbagong buhay at sad news na hindi man siya naging guilty sa ginawa niya sa'yo dati. Kung hindi pa ito nangyari sa iyong buhay na ginanito niya yung buhay mo noon, maybe itong taon na to gagawin niya yan sa'yo. Baka ginawa niya yan sa iba, tapos sa'yo gagawin niya ito. So, mag-ingat na lang kayo guys, okay? And remember to take which resonates and leave what doesn't, alright? So, anyway, whomever this is, yung karma niya guys, babalik sa kanya kung naman ang ginawa niya sa yung pagka-curse and so on. Siya yung magkakaroon ng weakness. Ibig sabihin lang nun, baka siya ay magkasakit. So, kaya kanya hinahanap, remember, dahil gusto kanyang i-curse. As you can see. If ever this person definitely curse you, babalik sa kanya yun at siya naman yung magkakasakit. Isa sa kanyang karma, hindi niya ma-achieve yung goals and dreams niya. Kasi nga busy lang siya manira ng buhay na may buhay. Yung mga tama kasalamuhan niya is someone na hindi talaga mabuti, hindi mapagmahal, Kasi itong taon na to, nakatagpo na nga siya ng taong mabuti sa kanya, hindi niya actually tignan yung maganda para sa kanyang buhay. Mas pinipili pa niya na pumunta sa barkada na hindi mabubuti, Kaya ito yung kanyang karma na yung mga kasama niyang tao ay kagaya din niya. So, isa rin sa kanyang karma, guys, hindi kanya maaalis kung saan yung iyong career. At saka, mananatili kang balance at masaya sa iyong buhay. And you will definitely have that focus or drive with regards sa iyong career. At wala kang problem with regards sa money. Okay, so, anyway, that's it, guys, with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation. And God bless all of you. Sa pumili ng Fehu card, ito ang inyong reading. Right away, kinda like sense jealousy issue and money issues as well. I kinda like feel as well karma reading. Tingnan natin kung ba't kayo nahanap. Kasi na-feel ko talaga paiba-iba yung vibe or pakiramdam. This person could have grab mentality issue. To be honest, at kailangan niya mag-break sa ganang cycle ng pagiging jealous. Or meron din siya ugaling may pagkagahaman siya sa pera. So mag-ingat kayo sa kanya. Lalo na ko siya ay manggagamit, okay? So, anyway, clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. Pero na-sense ko, guys, na you guys break free from this person already. I feel like this person lied to you about something. Yun din siguro yung dahilan kung ba't kayo nag-break. At nasense ko rin na wala na kayong pakialam sa kanya after that happened. At nasense ko yung heaviness sa mata. So, baka dahil doon nalungkot siya or naiyak siya kasi nga, you know, hindi mo na siya pinapansin. And I also sense, guys, mabait kayo sa kanya dati. Alright? So, anyway, here are your cards. So, anyway, itong taon na to, this is somebody that's definitely a liar and very controlling here. So, kaya kanya hinahanap kasi gusto kanyang kontrolin, gusto kanyang mauto muli sa kanya. Okay? Kasi kung sino man siya, may nangyaring hindi maganda sa inyong dalawa, kaya mo siya iniiwasan. So, malalim naman yung dahilan mo kung bakit ayaw mo na siyang balikan. At nag-focus ka na lang sa work, as you can see. But whomever this is, you do have a connection with him or her. Maybe dahil siya ay kamag-anak mo, maybe dahil siya ay ex mo, kung ano man yan na dahilan. Pero kahit ang may connection kayo sa isa't isa or connected pa rin, hindi mo siya pinapansin. And I'm sensing na dahil imbas sa inyo, galit pa rin kayo sa kung anong ginawa niya sa inyo. At baka mag-aaway lang kayo kung sakali magsama uli kayo. So, narinig niyong may taw ng aso, baka yun yung nangyari na may away, okay? Or hindi talaga kayo magkasundo, kaya rin nagkahiwalay kayo. So, ngayon, busy ka sa work, you know, at itong taon na to, I think God is spinning him or her down, kasi nga, you know, sisirain niya yung iyong mundo kasi maganda na yung mga nangyayari sa iyong buhay. And this person is trying to gain you back kasi ikaw yung swerte sa kanyang buhay, honestly. Pero yun nga lang, di talaga kayo magkasundo. And you're somebody that is definitely in this energy of fear. Na inisip mo na kung tanggapin mo siya muli sa iyong buhay, gaganituhin ka na naman niya. Okay? So, sa puso mo, meron ka pa rin na parang natutrauma ka pa rin sa ginawa niya dati sa'yo. So, you got this nurtured being here. So, yun, kinalulungkot nyo guys kasi on your end, you have been good to this person. Pero sad to say, you know, hindi ka trinato ng ganito ng iyong tao. Okay? And lesson that we got is this one. So, kasi nagkaroon nga ng ebidensya na hindi siya mabuting tao para sa'yo. Kaya nag-ending yung inyong connection. Ngayon, itong taon na to, tinatry niya i-get siguro yung attention mo, gusto ka niyang balikan muli. And this person still prideful, guys. So, wag niyo siyang balikan kasi ganun pa rin siya. Actually, gamitin ka lang dahil sa iyong kayamanan, dahil siya ay materialistic pa rin. Kung ano siya dati, ganun pa rin siya. Okay, at mas okay yung buhay mo nung wala siya sa iyong buhay. Yun yung na-realize mo siguro. At I really feel na masaya ka without this person. So, we have this Fehu. So, I kinda like feel, guys, na kaya kanya hinahanap kasi maybe some of them, they really plot to use you with regards to money, actually. At I really feel nagpapanggap lang siya na kaibigan mo and so on. Parang, you know, kailangan ka niya dahil may kailangan siya sa'yo, pero, you know, with regards sa authentically na mamahalin ka rin niya dahil mahal mo siya, hindi ko nasa-sense yun. Okay? Kinda like feel like they will repeat whatever they did to you before. So, anyway, maybe they will approach you and they will say na nagbago na siya, pero to be honest with you, sa energy talaga, hindi siya nagbago, guys. Ang toxic pa rin ng energy. So, you have this best of friends, but it's in either way. So, hindi nga kayo friend. Okay, naging frenemy na siguro kayo, guys. So, we also have this camera here. So, there could be proof that this person is not a good person. Kaya yun nga, hindi mo siya ina-unblock. Okay, naka-block siya. Kasi ayaw mo na siyang papasukin. Kasi binigyan ka niya ng traumatic experience or may pinakita siya sa'yo na hindi maganda talaga. So, since then, ayaw mo na siyang balikan. So, you have the home. So, maybe this is one of your relatives, honestly. So, you have the future here. And we got this 10. I kinda like feel heavy betrayal, okay? So, gusto kanilang balikan kasi sa future, bala kanilang i-betray muli. So, hindi pa rin siya nagbabago. Okay? Paano siya may kinalaman sa number 3? Okay? Kasi si 3 is kinda like a bully, okay? So, anyway, feel free to watch other piles kasi feeling ko para may kaparehong pile eh. Another dimension to me. Itong taon to siguro guys, kung sakali man nahuli siya sa masama niyang ginagawa, hindi siya maamin sa kanyang pagkakamali. Okay? Yan yung vibe na nafe-feel ko sa kanya, to be honest. Kaya inulit-ulit niya yung kanyang mistakes. Okay, kaya rin siya hindi yung maasenso sa kanyang buhay. At saka na-sense ko na maraming ahas sa paligid. So anyway, let's see what we have. So we got this one. Really forgive about the noise. So anyway, I kinda like feel guys, yung kanilang intention talaga is yun nga, after nila makuha yung gusto nila sa'yo, iiwan ka uli. At I really feel na naiyak sila kasi ito yung energy mo sa ngayon dahil nga ayaw mo maulit yung dati. You know, you block them. Or pwede rin naging blunt kayo sa kanya na hindi na mauulit yung dati. Na lumayo na kayo sa kanya and you're actually acknowledging things that is given to you by God. Yung mga tamang tao sa iyong buhay at ganun din focus ka sa work. Kaya ka may nararating sa buhay. Itong taon na to wala pa rin nangyayari sa kanyang buhay kasi obviously hindi siya nagbagong buhay. And yeah, this person definitely gave you a traumatic experience, honestly speaking. At ayaw mo na talagang maulit yun, kaya siya naka-reverse kasi hindi mo na yung pinapahintulutang mangyari muli. So anyway, tinan naman natin ngayon yung karma ng taong ito. I'm also sensing guys, yung iba sa kanila baka mangako na wala kang kaagaw. Maybe this is some of you, okay? Maybe this is your ex. Na maybe they put you in a third party at sasabihin nila sa'yo na wala kang kaagaw. You know, para magkabalikan kayo. Pero parang, you know, bola lang yun eh. Hindi ko na-feel na they are authentic with regards to whatever that they're saying, okay? So, wag kayo mainiwala kasi ngayon nga, may mask nga to try to manipulate you again or para ka mauto. So, anyway, I kinda like feel that like, this is a hater of yours. Honestly. Pero di ko nakikita dito guys, so may nagawa kayong masama. Honestly, kasi basically sila yung nagbigay sa'yo ng negative na experience eh. So, anyway, I kinda like feel na yung karma nila, hindi ka mababag sa iyong trabaho or sa iyong money making. Di maaalis sa'yo. Isa sa kanilang karma, guys, you know, mahirapan silang humanap ng, let's say, business or career na talagang para sa kanila. Isa rin sa kanilang karma, puno ng drama yung kanilang buhay at hindi stable yung kanilang income. Honestly, I also sense wala sila sa pera, to be honest with you, and that can be the reason why kung bakit imbalance yung kanilang money. Okay? So, I kinda like feel here that you will learn how to stand up for yourself. Meaning, kaya mo nang depensahan yung sarili mo against this kind of people like them. Honestly speaking. Kasi I kinda like feel like they are in this way na gusto nilang kontrolin lahat ng tao and so on. But yet, they cannot control you. To be honest. At, you know, may darating din sa kanilang buhay na ganito rin yung energy. At dahil dito sa taong yan, kaya sila magkakaroon ng problem or issues with regards sa kanilang income. Kung magkakaroon sila ng friends, guys, hindi yan tamang tao para sa kanila. At saka yung mga taong yan, you know, they are not an upright person and they're just, liars like them, honestly speaking. Isa rin sa kanilang karma, they cannot see things clearly. Mali-mali yung decision making nila, honestly. Isa rin sa kanilang karma, kung magkakaroon sila ng karelasyon, gagamitin lang sila dahil din sa passion lang, pero magbe-break din silang dalawa. Hindi sila magiging successful with regards sa kanilang career. Lagi sila mawawalan ng work, lagi mawawalan ng business din. Malas sila with regards sa career at ganun din sa love life, okay? And I kinda feel, guys, with the moon being here, so isa sa kanilang karma yung mga tao, i-hide nila yung kanilang sarili from this person. Kasi nga, hindi maganda yung kanyang energy na deceitful and so on. Kaya yung mga tao, ibablock siya, or pwede rin na they will be, left. I feel they will be in poverty as well, honestly speaking. Isa rin sa kanilang karma, they have to see you happy with your life. They have to see you with someone else. At saka may pera ka, so you can see here. At isa rin sa kanilang karma, wala ka ng passion or wala ka ng gana to be with this person. Kasi first of all, they gave you a traumatic experience at hindi ka na basta-basta mauuto ng taong ito. So anyway, that's it, guys, with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation, and God bless all of you.